I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 14th to the 21st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111, also known as Babaylan TV, where intelligent, spiritual people meet. Ayan, so marami tayong pag-uusapan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Naku, parang meron ditong gusto nang mag-confess, no? Gusto nang umamin ng kanyang feelings, gusto nang magsalita. Whether this is you or this is your person, one thing's for sure. Almost nandoon na kayo sa mutual ang inyong understanding, mutual ang inyong pagkakaunawa, no? Dito sa relationship na ito. Singles, syempre, naghahanap pa lang kayo, pero I feel like meron kayo ditong apple of the eye, no? Sama natin yung crushes and no labels. Meron na kayo napipisil-pisil. Ano ba ito mga napipisil nyo? No? Sorry, green-minded lang. Meron kayong, kumbaga, natitipuhan ng tao. And it felt like, siguro itong si person medyo same, no? Ang kanyang nararamdaman. Ito yung week na parang hindi man ito direktang sinabi, but hopefully, no, magkaroon na ng direktang pag-uusap para at least may agreement. Pero, I feel like kung hindi man ito sabihin in verbal form, makikita nyo sa actions niya yung sabihin nating yung ile-level niya rin yung game, no? Ile-level din niya yung kanyang mga efforts towards you. Next naman. When it comes to doon sa mga magjowa, I feel like meron itong sasabihin to elevate the relationship into more intense, no? Relationship. Kung doon naman po ito sa mga married couple, I feel like meron itong regalo or kahit date man lang, no? I think that you're gonna go out for, I think that you're going to also unwind. Pwede ba natin sabihin honeymoon uli, no? Chances are itong passion is more of ilalabas this week. So, kung ano man yung ilalabas niya, go for the gold, no? Third party situation, medyo sa'yo siya magfo-focus this week. Napakarami nitong even ditong ating separated couples, mas mafe-feel mo yung focus nila is towards you. Mas mafe-feel mo yung parang nakikita mo na talaga, no? Sumasuccess tayo. Yun. With the King of Cups, the Devil card, uy wow, and the Justice. So kung meron man itong mga nagawa na sa past, probably unintentionally, the person breaks our heart, unintentionally, the person probably, yung napasama ang loob natin, napaluha tayo, napaiyak. I feel like hindi ito niya ginagawa because of yung parang suhol, no? Ang ginagawa niya to kasi alam niya na somehow, hindi man niya maibalik yung time para baguhin yung kanyang actions. Ito yung time para mag-invest siya sa iyo at para patunayan na hindi niya intention, no, na masaktan tayo. With regard to singles, I feel like this is going to happen. Alisin natin yung married couples, third party, and separated couples. From singles, crushes, no labels, and in a relationship, mas mafe-feel natin yung warmth, no? Mas mafe-feel din natin itong mga pagbawi. Sa married couple, chances are, I think mag-aabot ito ng pera, no? Extrang pera, siguro iniipon niya ito, baka nakakuha ng racket, no? Siguro sa iyo ibibigay. Third party situation, siguro regalo din. Chances are, this is more of something tangible that you can see, taste, touch, hear, smell, no? Baka pabango, nakakita ka ng pabango. Ngayon kasi pag separated couples, mas mapapansin mo yung openness, no? Unlike before, medyo awkward. Ngayon, nagkakaroon na ng small talks. Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. Meron kayo ditong hiningi. It could be literally hiningi ninyo. It could also be a wish that you prayed for, wanting to experience with your person. Parang hindi mo man sinabi in verbal form, gagawin niya ito through actions. Parang nagiget niya kung ano yung kailangan mo. Nagiget niya kung whether this is material or emotional, no? Nakakita rin ako ng pagsisimba, no? I think na meron ditong parang yayayain kayo to go somewhere. Chances are, no, you are active, no, sa simbahan. I feel like doon din mapupunta. Meron ka isang kahilingan na ibibigay nito ni person. With the Two of Cups, the Star, and the Six of Wands, there's actually some good news in here. Bukod sa pag-amin, I'm really seeing agreement. Parang pantay na itong emotions. I feel like, lalo na dito sa mga crushes and no labels, mapag-uusapan nyo this week itong what if totohanin natin, what if gawin nating siguro legal, no? Itong ating relationship, sama natin yung third party regarding sa, in a relationship, baka tinatago-tago ito, baka ipapakilala na, no, sa mga friends, families, yayayain sa bahay. I'm seeing here video, okay? So, baka hahanga sila sa boses mo, mahilig kang kumanta. I am also seeing here walking, HHWW. Yeah, holding hands while walking. Probably sa mall, you're gonna go out, doon ka ibibili, no, ng regalo. Mahilig sa bracelets, nakakakita rin ako dito. Yung ibang mga plantita dyan, baka halaman ang iyong regalo sa kanya. It may not be rare, pero at least, no, na alam nila kung ano yung hobbies mo. Separated couples, medyo magiging fluid itong pag-uusap ninyo. Medyo magiging fluid itong, sabihin natin, hindi lang to civil Parang somehow titibok uli yung inyong puso, no? Third party situations, medyo mas mapapansin mo, sa akin siya ngayon nagfo-focus, no? Sa akin ngayon yung time niya, itong week na ito. Napakagandang reading. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Capricorn. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dito po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So pwede kayong sumali sa live sessions. Kung hindi nyo po yun maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra, Capricorn, Scorpio. Yeah, so this is your reading, Capricorn, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.